Zoleka tells Kawe that she's pregnant in confidence. Kawe runs to Cosmo to tell them that Zoleka is pregnant and she's going to be a big sister again. Zoleka meets Sister Lazarus, who happens to be Nongleba, the divorce lawyer, in a family dinner. Zoleka and Lazarus, they go for an ultrasound scan. They're already planning for the future. Hi, welcome to my channel. Here's an update on Inimba. So Zoleka had joined abantu bakangqungana for a family dinner. And she met Sister Lazarus, who happens to be Unongleba, the divorce lawyer that helped her with divorce yakhe nohlathi. Uzoleka is shocked with how Nongleba, Sister Lazarus ngempela. I said, yes, I am. But you guys, why didn't you tell me? She's shocked because how did this whole thing happen? At Unongleba, Lazarus actually wanted to tell you, but I asked him to keep things professional so that you can look at my work professionally and not associated with me being related to Lazarus. And then Lazarus is happy that Zoleka is going to give him a grandchild. As you've brought joy to my brother and my father. Lazarus, now you are part of the family. And then Zoleka in a conversation lets out ukuthi there's uQhawekazi. Abuza utata ukuthi who is this Qhawekazi? Asho-ke ukuthi indodakazi yami. uQhawekazi is my daughter. And then utata uyabuza ukuthi how have you been married before? Athi yes, I have, and I've just been divorced now. Athi Nongleba, yes, I was the one that was helping with the divorce. And utata feels some type of way, saying ukuthi how kulo nyaka this year. And already I've jumped onto my son, he's sort of trying to add things 2 and 2 together. And then he seems a bit disappointed Zoleka as a divorcee. Our Lazarus came to the rescue and jumped in to save Zoleka, saying that, you know what, Dad, please understand that I've also been married before. So Pascal Zoleka shouldn't matter. Let's just enjoy the dinner. And then Zoleka, no, Lazarus stayed together. Lazarus says he never thought that he'd be given a chance to be a father, and he's got so much love to give. Zoleka, can you please go with me to the gynae for my ultrasound scan? Lazarus was so happy, saying that I'd love to do that. And then they go there together, go ultrasound scan. Utumega busy hanging pictures, portraits of the wedding on the wall. They're so happy nohlathi they look so good, hey. Mahla pictures, Atuhlati, this is the family. I love this family, it's the family I've always wanted. Utumega is down, man. And Lazarus is asking how. So did you find Zoleka when you went looking for her? Yes, I did. That's my routine. What did she say? She's just dealing with new beginnings and some changes in her life. New beginnings. Utumega is holding back tears, can't even say new beginnings are one. And then Zoleka talks to Kawe, saying to her just something that she wants to tell her. She's proud of the way she is around her siblings, Uyanga no Ligamva, and she would be happy if she would extend the same love to her unborn baby, because also a big sister to her baby who's on the way. Kawe is like, how are you pregnant? Who is the father? Ati Lazarus. So Kawe didn't miss the opportunity to ask who the father of the baby is, because Galoko there's Umawe too, which could have been a disaster, and there's also Hlati that's gonna take happiness to make. And then when she hears the father is Lazarus, she's like, okay, congratulations. She even gives her a hug because I think she's happy for her. She's genuinely happy for her. Also because the father of the baby does not bring in any complications to the family. And then, Lazarus talks to his dad over the phone saying, please, Dad, please don't, I'm happy with Zoleka. I love her. Please leave this thing over judgmental over her, because she's not going anywhere. She's here to stay. Tata Katai, she's amazing. I'm not going to be in trouble anymore. And then they go ultrasound scan no Zoleka. They get to the doctor, and as the doctor checks her and shows them the ultrasound of the baby. Uzoleka is delighted. She's all smiles. It just feels so Lazarus shame. Should have seen his face. The way he was so happy, he gets to experience something that is wanted so bad in his whole life, and now he gets to experience it firsthand. So Like, I think this is a huge opportunity for him to be able to experience this blessing. We can just see that he's in awe. And then the doctor tells them, the baby is healthy, the heartbeat is fine. And then they get home, they're looking at the pictures, at the ultrasound scan. They're so happy. They're just even like planning the future. Lazarus Ati, what do you think it's gonna be? Do you think it's gonna be a boy or a girl? Ati Uzolega, obviously, definitely a girl. Pela Emami always knows. Atu Lazarus, what would he prefer? Atu Lazarus, you know what? I want it to be a surprise. I think we shouldn't find out until like the day you give birth. And then Uzolega asks him, Guti, so are you sure about this decision that you've made? Atu Lazarus, yes, you've given me an opportunity to be a father, something I never thought I'd ever have. So, and having my father look at me the way he did with so much pride, like, I'll never forget that. Like, it meant a lot to me because obviously his father has been waiting for Lazarus to give him grandkids. And then he says that he's looking forward to the late nights, the sleepless nights, and nappy changes. Ati, and your cravings also. Also, like at how you've been doing, someone has been doing his research, hey? And someone has been waiting to be a dad his whole life. At wait until the baby starts crying at 2 a.m. Says, one out, you still have this kind of excitement. At Yazin, you can even put me on night shift duty every night and I'll still be excited. And then Zolega tells him, I spoke to Kawegas about the pregnancy and told her to keep it between us. Yeah, for now, because after that I'm gonna be shouting it over the rooftop. And then Kawegas calls me with the whole family. Utandega Notulanda also there. Oh, Tanda is asking Kawegas because she seems distracted. Because how are you okay? Yeah, I'm okay. Okay, right, man. It's like everyone is keeping secrets from me because Utumega was also looking off during the day and couldn't say what was wrong. And then Utkawe says, Utkawe then spills the beans. I'm going to be a big sister again because Umam Zolega is pregnant. Drops a bombshell on the table. Before that, Utlati, when she said, I'm going to be a big sister again, Utlati assumes that Utumega is pregnant and says, how? Is that what you've been hiding? Tumega, you're pregnant. Utumega just opens her eyes and couldn't say anything. When Ukawe dropped the bombshell, Uzolega is the one that is pregnant, the room went quiet. Everyone was just quiet. No one said a word. They just looked at each other, shocked because I think now everyone in their minds, it's going around, would say, is this Lati's baby? You can already see Lati's face, which is already thinking of going to bother Uzolega. And then Uzolega and Lazarus, they set up a virtual meeting with the staff and tells them about just to address them about the ukuhamba kaSydney and just reassuring them that nothing is going on, like the Kusela is fine, he's not in trouble. And then Uzinhle goes to Palette to say goodbye to her boyfriend, Loase Palette, telling him that she's going to miss him. He played a huge role in her life. And then says bye to her family. Uma wakhe isn't accepted ukuthi uyahamba umntwana eSwitzerland kude kangaka. Her dad, they have such a good relationship, Uzinhle no Sydney, hey? Babakhe even got her a gift to say goodbye, something that will like she can take with to remember them with. Thank you for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next one. Bye.